Generated directly from the shop drawings, the dimensional cut list is used to program the CNC Egil to cut the stone panels to the required shape and dimension. The 5-axis system allows the saw to pivot and move in almost any direction. The CNC saw is highly programmable and can be left unattended while cutting curves, slopes, profiles, and shapes at optimal speed. Processed items include carvings, copings, panels, arches, sills, pavers, and tiles. Safety sensors limit the risk of any means of failure, while water helps to control temperature and minimize dust. The vacuum system on the face of the saw is used to move the finished product without any manual lifting, increasing productivity. Processed stone panels are labeled and carefully racked on a sturdy frame for safe handling and for transport to the job site.